Hello and welcome to this very brief tour of the DALTAI Learning Analytics Training Resource. This is a resource that shows users how to use learning data to support learning, teaching and assessment. Now, the course has three pathways. It is a pathway for professional services staff, a pathway for teaching staff and a pathway for students. This one that we can see here is the teaching staff path, but all of the pathways use the same course structure divided into three modules: knowing, using, and taking action. This structure was created by the DALTAI project using feedback from their research. In our homepage for each of these pathways, we have some information explaining the structure, what's in the three different modules. We also have a nice little animation here that explains the tree structures and that each of them tackles. But moving swiftly along, if we go to the knowing section. Now, the resources here are really concerned with the basics of learning analytics. We have some videos, we have an animation describing the limitations of learning analytics data and what it can and can't do. And we also have some fantastic resources from the National Forum, such as this article, which shows you what data is available to institutions and what kind of questions those data sources can answer. In the using section, the resources are really focused on the basic task of accessing and assessing the type of learning and data that is available to us. And the resources in this section, such as this interactive guide, are quite scaffolded. This is one showing teaching staff how to download Moodle logs and how to the correct settings to use and how to make those logs usable by separating the timestamps in Excel. We have a number of those videos, and as I say, they're really scaffolded, showing users step by step how to do basic tasks. In the taking action section, we have resources that are more about how they can now use that data, how teachers and students can use that data to improve their teaching and learning and assessment. So we have some videos showing some projects and giving inspiration.
Harnessing student engagement data for personalized feedback.
And then we also have step-by-step guides to how to actually go about doing these tasks and doing these things. So this resource, it's in its early stages, but it's going to continue to grow. And I think it's going to form a really useful resource for all teaching, service staff, and students in third level. Thank you very much.